How to use the FRS Pension Calculator to plan your retirement. Planning for retirement is crucial for financial security, and the FRS Pension Calculator is an invaluable tool in this process. As a resource for estimating your retirement benefits, it helps identify potential gaps in your savings and guides informed decisions. In tandem with professional assistance from Davies Wealth Management, you'll be well equipped to navigate the complexities of retirement planning and ensure a comfortable future. Introduction. Retirement planning is a crucial aspect of securing your financial future, ensuring that you have adequate income and resources to maintain a comfortable lifestyle once you stop working. One valuable tool for planning your retirement is the FRS Pension Calculator, which can help you estimate your retirement benefits and make informed decisions about your savings and investment strategies. In this article, we will provide a brief overview of the importance of retirement planning, introduce the FRS Pension Calculator, and mention the retirement planning services offered by Davies Wealth Management. Understanding the FRS Pension Calculator. In the process of planning for retirement, it is crucial to have a clear understanding of the financial tools available to help you make informed decisions. One such tool is the FRS Pension Calculator, designed to assist individuals in estimating their retirement benefits under the Florida Retirement System, FRS. The primary purpose of the FRS Pension Calculator is to provide users with an estimate of their retirement benefits based on various factors such as years of service, salary, and retirement age. This calculator helps individuals gain a better understanding of their potential retirement income, allowing them to plan accordingly and make any necessary adjustments to their saving strategy. Among its key features, the FRS Pension Calculator offers a user-friendly interface, enabling users to input their personal data and quickly receive an estimate of their retirement benefits. Furthermore, the calculator provides various scenarios and options for users to explore, allowing them to see how different factors can impact their retirement income. Overall, the FRS Pension Calculator is a valuable resource for individuals looking to plan for a secure and comfortable retirement. Getting started with the FRS Pension Calculator. Accessing and using the FRS Pension Calculator is a straightforward process that can help you gain valuable insights into your retirement planning. To get started, follow these simple steps. 1. Navigate to the FRS Pension Calculator website, which can be found on the Florida Retirement System, FRS, website. 2. On the home page, locate the Calculator section, and click on the link to access the FRS Pension Calculator. 3. If the calculator requires registration or login, follow the prompts to create an account or enter your existing login credentials. 3. This step may not be applicable in all cases, as some calculators do not require user registration. Once you have successfully accessed the FRS Pension Calculator, you can begin entering your personal information and reviewing your retirement planning results. Remember that accurate data input is crucial to obtaining reliable results, so take your time to gather the required information and input it carefully. Inputting your personal information. When using the FRS Pension Calculator, it's essential to provide accurate personal information to ensure reliable results. The calculator requires specific data inputs to estimate your retirement benefits effectively. In this section, we'll discuss the necessary personal information, the significance of each data input, and tips for entering the information accurately. First, the FRS Pension Calculator may ask for basic information such as your name, date of birth, and contact details. Additionally, it requires details about your employment history, including your years of service, salary history, and relevant pension plan information. The calculator may also ask for your planned retirement age, expected annual salary increases, and any additional retirement savings or investments. Each data input plays a crucial role in estimating your retirement benefits. For example, your years of service and salary history directly impact your pension benefits calculation. Meanwhile, your planned retirement age helps the calculator project your future income needs and the potential growth of your investments. To ensure accurate results, follow these tips when inputting your personal information. 1. Double-check your employment history and salary data to avoid any discrepancies. 2. Use realistic assumptions for expected annual salary increases and future investment returns. 3. Include any additional retirement savings or investments to get a comprehensive view of your retirement financial picture. 4. Update your information periodically, especially after significant life or financial changes, to keep your retirement planning on track. By providing accurate personal information, you can get the most out of the FRS Pension Calculator and make informed decisions about your retirement planning. Interpreting the results. Once you have inputted all the required information in the FRS Pension Calculator, it will display your estimated retirement benefits. Understanding the results is crucial to making informed decisions about your retirement planning. In this section, we will explain how the FRS Pension Calculator presents results, discuss the meaning of key terms and figures, and highlight the insights gained from the calculator's results. The FRS Pension Calculator presents results in a clear and concise manner, typically using tables or charts to display your estimated retirement benefits. These benefits may include monthly pension payments, a lump sum distribution, or a combination of both, depending on your specific retirement plan. As you review the results, it is essential to understand the meaning of key terms and figures. Some common terms you may encounter include: 1. Normal retirement date. The date you are eligible for full retirement benefits based on your age and years of service. 2. Monthly benefit. The estimated monthly pension payment you will receive upon retirement. 3. Lump sum distribution. The estimated one-time payment you may choose to receive instead of monthly pension payments. 4. Early retirement reduction. The percentage by which your monthly pension payment will be reduced if you choose to retire early. By analyzing the results, you can gain valuable insights into your retirement planning. For example, you may discover that you need to save more to reach your desired retirement income, or that you could benefit from delaying your retirement date to increase your monthly pension payments. Furthermore, the results can help you identify potential areas for improvement, such as increasing your contributions or optimizing your investment strategy. In conclusion, understanding the results of the FRS Pension Calculator is a crucial step in your retirement planning journey. By interpreting the key terms and figures, you can make informed decisions and adjustments to ensure a comfortable and financially secure retirement. Using the FRS Pension Calculator to plan your retirement. The FRS Pension Calculator provides valuable insights that can be applied to your retirement planning process. By understanding the results generated by the calculator, you can identify gaps in your retirement savings and make informed decisions about your financial future. In this section, we'll discuss how to use the FRS Pension Calculator results to improve your retirement planning. First, take a close look at the results presented by the calculator. These figures represent your estimated retirement benefits based on the information you provided. Use this information to assess whether your current savings and investment strategy will provide you with enough income during your retirement years. If you find that your projected retirement benefits are insufficient to meet your needs, it's time to consider making adjustments. Here are some tips to help you enhance your retirement planning based on the FRS Pension Calculator results. 1. Revise your savings strategy. Increase your contributions to your retirement accounts or consider reallocating your investments to potentially achieve higher returns. 1. Always consult a financial advisor before making any significant changes to your investment strategy. 2. Adjust your retirement timeline. If your projected benefits are not enough, you might consider delaying your retirement to give yourself more time to save and accumulate additional benefits. 3. Explore additional income sources. Diversify your income streams by considering part-time work, freelancing, or passive income opportunities during your retirement years. 3. This can help supplement your retirement benefits and provide additional financial security. 4. Reassess your retirement goals. Examine your retirement goals and adjust them if necessary. 4. This might involve reevaluating your desired retirement lifestyle, downsizing your home, or relocating to an area with a lower cost of living. By applying the insights gained from the FRS Pension Calculator, you can make more informed decisions about your retirement planning. Remember that the calculator is just one tool to assist you in this process, and it's essential to consult with a financial professional to ensure that your retirement strategy is comprehensive and tailored to your unique needs. Leveraging Davies Wealth Management's expertise. When planning for retirement, it's essential to have expert guidance to ensure a comfortable and financially secure future. Davies Wealth Management offers comprehensive retirement planning services that can complement the use of the FRS Pension Calculator. By working with a financial advisor, you can create a personalized retirement plan tailored to your specific needs and goals. One of the key benefits of partnering with Davies Wealth Management is their personalized approach to retirement planning. Unlike generic online tools, a financial advisor can take a deep dive into your unique financial situation, identifying potential gaps and opportunities in your retirement strategy. This personalized approach allows for a more accurate and comprehensive plan, ensuring that you are well prepared for your golden years. Moreover, Davies Wealth Management's expertise goes beyond merely using financial calculators and tools. They are well versed in various areas of financial planning, such as cash flow management, tax planning, and investment strategy, which are crucial components of a successful retirement plan. Their professional financial advisors can help you navigate the complex world of retirement planning, making informed decisions that take into account your specific financial circumstances and goals. In summary, leveraging Davies Wealth Management's expertise in retirement planning can provide invaluable insights and guidance that go hand in hand with using the FRS Pension Calculator. By combining the calculator's results with the personalized advice and support of a financial advisor, you can create a comprehensive and effective retirement plan that sets you up for a comfortable and financially secure future.